Welcome to the Imperium Forex daily video. Before we begin, it should be noted that any advice is of a general nature only and that your personal circumstances have not been taken into consideration.
Hello everyone, my name is Rob Clayton and thank you very much for joining me. But it was rather a hectic night. Hello everyone, my name is Rob Clayton and thank you very much for joining me. But it was a relatively busy night with the Australian dollar falling from a high of 78.67 to a low of 77.86. It all began with Fed Chairman Jerome Powell set the stage for his first appearance in the front of the Senate Banking Committee as he presented the semi-annual monetary policy report. It was more upbeat, and what happened was the fact that from the comments from Powell rejuvenated the greenback strength and sent a rippling effect right across the board. Now, with the market for the Australian dollar underneath the 60-day moving average, does give concerns. Now we could be looking at 75 cents as a potential target. At the moment, we're trading at 77.92, and the objective at this stage is at 77.45, and the resistance coming in at 78.35. As you can see for the euro, we've got a double top still in place. And from this double top reversal, the neckline comes in at 122 figure 10. We're very close to that level now, trading at 122.30. A break beneath this level of 122 figure would give us a measured move down towards the region of 118. So do take a note of that is very bearish. From the technical implications, plus the outside range day does also support this case. Now on the flip side is that the US dollar index also has a double bottom reversal. The market did briefly touch the neckline overnight, but not quite enough to break it. But nevertheless, the market still is set up for the move to eventually see a bullish US dollar and a bearish euro. And talking about bullish US dollar, you can see that the dollar yen is actually strengthened further and now tackling this next level, 107.7075. Overall, I do expect to see further strength and look towards a target around the 108.50 region. Any weakness should find support at 106.65 on the day. Well, the pound was weaker overnight since recently rejecting the level of 140.60 and now looking towards the target of 138.25, with the uptrend coming in at 136.80. Any rallies on the day should find resistance at 139.60. An interesting pattern for gold is it tumbles a whopping $23 overnight and now closer towards the bullish foundations that hold at 1,300. From a technical sense, I still hold the bearish implications towards this base, which should see a correction. Now, what started it, of course, was the last night when Fed Chairman Jerome Powell was speaking. He believes that inflation has strengthened since their meeting in December and now raising further outlook of a faster pace possibly for rate hikes. At the moment, the market is factored in for March, which when they meet on the 21st. Now, a rise from there would give further indication that we could be looking eventually by the end of the year at rates around 2.25% to 2.5%. At the moment, the rates are trading around 125 to 150. Overall, though, I do expect to see the dollar US to increase. But at this point, I'm not getting overly bearish at this stage while we look towards this foundation of 1,300. Resistance on the day is seen at 22, with the immediate support coming in at 14.16. Silver has broken down slightly and now looking towards this support region of $16.20. I'm not getting too bearish towards this region, and I feel the market could easily rebound from this level and look back up towards 55 to 85 as a target. So do keep a note on that. Wrapping up with oil, the market is turned into a slightly bearish case after the rejection from the 64 region. With a slightly firmer greenback in play, could see the oil case move down towards the $60 region. With any advantage, should still fail towards 64.5. So that wraps up for today. Thank you very much for joining me, and I hope you have a great day that's ahead.